Good day everyone. In this video, we will configure Active Directory as an authentication provider for One Identity Safeguard for Privileged Passwords, or SPP. Let's first log into SPP, and once we're logged in, let's head on over to Appliance Management, Safeguard Access, Identity and Authentication. Here, we'll click on the plus sign and select Active Directory. Let's type in the name of the source, the domain name, the service account name, and its password. Let's test the connection by clicking Connect to make sure we typed in the correct information. We can also type in the domain controller by selecting Advanced and typing the domain controller IP or host name. Then click OK. With that, the Active Directory is now set as an authentication provider for SPP.